Whew. So it's about 3 o'clock here near Austin, Texas, and it's about 100 degrees, or it feels like it. But anyway, I'm out here, just finished up some riding. I wanted to try to take out the new desert sled, do a little shakedown. Hope you guys liked the video. But yeah, it's a great day this Saturday. This is my first time using the sled out here at the ranch, basically. So I just give you an update. I need to put some bigger foot pegs. I got those on the sled. Got some crash bars. Those are ready. I got to put those on too, though. But yeah, this is like my first time in a while riding. It's been work's been tough. It's been good but tough, keeping me busy. So I'm excited. You know. So but anyway, getting ready for the second half of the year. I got some big plans. Lots of traveling with the Beemer and the Ducati and the truck. Big plans with the truck coming. You'll see that soon on the channel. So anyway, hope you all enjoy. See you out there.